My name is Tina Utley, and I'm going to take you through the intervention kit for kindergarten 4.0. Tori Hatton is behind the camera. She'll be helping me with some of the situations in these story problems. We have in your kit, you'll have secret number cards, 0 through 20. You'll also have addition cards. You will need to have a whiteboard marker and eraser. You'll also find a bag of beans, break apart pictures, a little template, along with the recording sheet so you can track your students' progress through the intervention. You're going to start out the intervention with a warm-up. The warm-up is one more and one less, and you're going to have a secret number. So as a warm-up, I'm going to say I have a secret number. The number that is one more than this number is 13. Tori, do you know my number?
12.
Correct. You're going to choose another one. I have a secret number. The number that is one less than this number is 15. Tori, do you know my number?
16.
Nice. So you're going to do that for about 1 minute, and then you're going to move to the activity. The activity involves drawing, the students will draw one of the cards, the addition problem cards. The learning target is to solve problems by drawing pictures. So I drew out a card that is 4 plus 5. So the student will write the problem down on a whiteboard, and they'll try to represent this number by drawing pictures. So I'm going to draw the pictures of 4 plus 5. And if your student has problems or is struggling drawing pictures to represent it, you can prompt them by saying, I have 4 apples. I went and bought 5 more apples. How many apples do I have total? And then hopefully the student can draw apples to represent the problem that you gave them. So you would do this for about 5 minutes, going through a couple cards, hopefully. During this time, you will be tracking their progress on the student record sheet. So here's the secret number, whether they were able to do it or not, addition problems, writing down the problems if they were able to solve it or not, and whether they're able to do a picture. And then the closing is the break apart template. You'll give the students the number of beans between 4 and 9 beans. The student will take those beans and they'll separate it into 2 numbers. So for instance, I have 5 beans plus 4 beans. So if I have 5 beans plus 4 beans, I have 9 beans. And then I would prompt them to find another fact family that would go, or fact addition problem that would go with that. So maybe 3 plus 6. So you'd separate the same beans and write 3 plus 6 equals 9. So you'd find different ways to form the number 9. You'd do this for about 1 minute. And that is your intervention 4.0 for kindergarten.